How to change domain on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change domain on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. So I will show you how to change your domain. So for that, you will go to your settings, and in your settings, you just have to scroll down a little bit and you will go to domains. So in domains, what you can do is we can change our existing domain that we have on Shopify. So you can see right here, this is my domain right now. This is my store domain, and we have the option of change to a new myshopify.com. So you will click right here and you will enter your new domain name, your new business name. So for instance, my store is changed to maybe like close it, and then it will show me if it's available, or maybe like close it 89, and it will show me if it's available or not. So after that, when it's available, you can see this can be my new domain. You will just click on add domain, and a new domain, a changed domain, will be added to your Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.